Making a year's worth of jelly from canned fruit juice is very simple. All you need is 100% fruit juice, some jars, some Sure Jell, and sugar. We'll be using a pressure canner to make our jelly today, but you do not have to have a pressure canner in order to make jelly. All you need is a water bath, and you can use any pot to do that. Now, before you can your jelly, you do want to sterilize your jars. If you bought jars for the first time, you need to remove the lids and the sealer. The sealer does not go into boiling water. If you're reusing jars, you'll want to make sure that you wash them before you put them in a sterilization water bath. So I'm going to place these in here. The USDA recommends that you sterilize your jars for 10 minutes in slightly boiling water. If you're making grape jelly, you're going to use 3 cups of juice, and make sure that your juice is 100% juice. You're going to take your 3 cups of juice and pour it into your pot. One box of Sure Jell fruit pectin. After adding the pectin, you'll need to stir until the pectin is fully dissolved. I add a tablespoon of butter to my juice to keep it from foaming, and this is optional. You need to let your juice come to a rolling boil, and then you will let it boil for 1 minute. You gotta have 4 1/2 cups of sugar. So this measure cup is 4 cups, and then I'm gonna measure 1/2 cup in this one. I just don't have a 4 1/2 cup measure, so I'm having to use my 4 cup measure plus 1/2 cup measure. You will add the sugar to your boiling juice and stir until it's dissolved. If you feel this is too much sugar, then you may want to look into the option of using the low or no sugar needed pectin. After adding the sugar, you will need to bring your juice back to a rolling boil and let it boil for 1 minute. You will then remove your pot from the stove and place it next to your canning jars. You will fill your jars with a canning funnel, and I use a soup ladle to fill my jars with. You need to wipe the top of your jars with vinegar. This is to ensure that they will seal correctly. Now, I had my sealing lids in warm water, and you will take them and place them on top of your jars, and then place your ring on. The ring will need to be finger tight, but not real tight. You're going to place the jars in a water bath for 5 minutes. This water should be boiling. After your jars have been in the boiling water for 5 minutes, you will remove them. Be careful, the jars are extremely hot. Well, I'm done with the grape jelly. Now on to the apple jelly. Now with the apple jelly, the recipe is just slightly different. You're going to use 4 cups of juice for your apple jelly. The steps are the same, just the ingredients are a little bit different. Remember, you add your pectin and stir until it's dissolved. You will bring the juice to a rolling boil and let it boil for 1 minute. Then on the apple jelly, you are going to measure 5 cups of sugar. Add your sugar, and then you'll bring it back to a rolling boil and let it boil for 1 minute, and then you're ready to put it in the jars. The rest of this process is exactly the same as your grape jelly. You will put the lids on and finger tighten them, and then put them in the water bath and remove them. We canned enough jelly to last us a year. Thank you for watching.